Namaste. In this video I am going to show how to add cut contour marks for this icon with bleed.
Okay.
If we add a cut contour line around this black shape, it will work.
Really?
First, duplicate the shape by holding Alt plus Shift while dragging it.
Oh, okay.
Change, fill into stroke. Let's make cut contour. To do that, click on New Swatch from Swatches panel. New Swatch pop-up box will appear. Rename the swatch name to Cut Contour. Choose color type to spot color. Make cyan 0, magenta 100, yellow 0 and black also 0. Click OK.
Wow. Well, that was easy.
Let's check one more time. It's perfect. This is the color what we need for cut contour. Make that stroke 0.25 pt. This is the requirement for cut contour stroke. Now, align with that black shape. Now let's add the bleed marks. Bleed ensures no white paper edges are visible after trimming.
Okay, cool.
Select that black shape, and go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Give bleed as your requirements, and click OK. In some cases, we need to make cut contour path to overprint.
Really?
To do that, select Cut Contour Path, go to Window, Attributes, and check on Overprint Stroke.
Guess what time it is?
Now save it as PDF. Let's check our final PDF. And that's it. Thank you.